This is Arduino analog temperature sensor with code. We have here the small tiny KY-013. It comes from the sensor kit for Arduino. OLED display connected. The Uno. OLED positive and negative. And SDA and SCL connections. Negative for the temperature sensor on this module, positive to positive, and the S for signal to A0 on the Arduino board. The code is available on the website. There you can see how we have averaged the temperature readings and also the correct method to display the degree before the C for Celsius, and just in general to see how you can connect up this analog temperature sensor with Arduino.